Builder using LiQWYD App Lab. Let's move on to the video. In the design part, I have used two screen builder, screen emoji. In the screen builder, the heading emoji builder is the label 1. Label 2 is color. Radio button yellow. Image 1, the yellow circle image. Radio button red. Image 2, the red color circle image. Label 3, the mouth. Radio button smile. Radio button sad. Image 4, that is the happy mouth. Image 6, that is the sad mouth. Label 4 is the eyes. Label 5 is the open eyes. Label 6 is the closed eyes. Button create. Checkbox open. That is the open eyes square box. Checkbox closed. That is the closed eyes checkbox. In screen emoji, image color, that is the yellow and red color. Image smile, that is the happy face. Image sad, that is the sad face. Button back. Image open, that is the eyes open. Image closed, that is the eyes closed. Image open closed, that is the one eye open, one eye closed. Starting the code with on event, clicking the radio yellow, show element button create. On another on event, clicking the radio red button, show element button create. On event, clicking the button create, set screen to screen emoji. If get property radio yellow checked, set image to yellow color. If get property radio red checked, set image red color. If get property radio smile checked, show element image smile, play sound as laughing. Else hide element image smile. If get property radio sad checked, show element image sad, play sound crying song. Else hide element. If get property checkbox open checked and get property checkbox closed checked, show element image open closed. Else hide element image open closed. If get property checkbox open checked or get property checkbox closed checked. If get property checkbox open checked and get property checkbox closed checked, show element image open. Else hide element image open. If get property checkbox closed checked and get property checkbox open checked, show element image closed. Hide all else hide element image closed. On event, clicking the button back, set screen to screen builder. On event, clicking the image open, console log image open. Clicked. Let's see my Emoji Builder app. If you like my video, do subscribe, like, share with your friends. Bye bye. My name is Truhanov from LiQWYD.